In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a Surveymonkey link via email. Let's dive right in. The process of sharing your Surveymonkey survey is simple and straightforward, but there are a few steps you'll need to follow to do it correctly. First and foremost, you'll need to log into your Surveymonkey account. Once you're at the main page, click on the login option. You might see several options for logging in, including using your Google account. Go ahead and choose your Google account if that's convenient for you. This will streamline the login process and get you directly into your dashboard. After successfully logging into your account, your next stop is the collector list. This is the hub where all your active surveys live. Navigating there should be straightforward from the Surveymonkey homepage. Once you're in the collector list, it's time to select the specific survey you want to share. Simply clicking on your desired survey will take you to its overview page. Now, for the next step, look for the three dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. It's typically located near the survey title or at the corner of the survey box. Clicking on these three dots will open up a menu with various options. In the menu that appears, you'll want to click on Edit. This might seem a bit counterintuitive if you're just looking to share your survey, but trust me, it's where you need to go. After clicking Edit, your next move should be to locate the Collect Response tab. This tab is crucial because it's where you'll find all the different ways you can collect responses to your survey, including sending it via email. Scroll down until you find the option labelled Email. This is your ticket to sending your survey directly to respondents' inboxes. Clicking on this option will walk you through the process of setting up your email invitation. However, it's important to note before we proceed that the ability to send a survey link via email is a feature exclusive to account holders with a subscription. If you're using Surveymonkey for free, you might want to explore other avenues for sharing your survey link, like through social media or direct link sharing. Now, assuming you do have a subscription, selecting email will let you customize your message, add recipients, and essentially prepare your survey to be sent out into the world. Make sure your message clearly states the purpose of the survey and kindly ask for participation. Personalizing the email can go a long way in increasing your response rate. And that's it. After you've customized your email, added your recipients, and everything looks good to go, hit send. You've now successfully shared your Surveymonkey survey via email. Remember, after sending your survey out, it's always a good idea to keep an eye on your response rates and follow up if necessary. Surveymonkey provides tools and analytics to help you track your survey's performance, so make sure to utilize them to get the most out of your efforts. Sharing your Surveymonkey survey via email is an effective way to reach your intended audience, gather valuable insights, and make informed decisions based on the feedback you receive. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial made the process clear and straightforward for you. Happy surveying!